So our challenge was to redo the mobile unit so it's the best experience for the clients and for our staff, and it's the easiest thing to do. So the biggest things were, one, we don't want to have an extra charge for the mobile cost. We want to include, one idea would be to include it in the allocation, and then all our pricing for all ASC events would be off the matrix. And the second thing is we want to go towards a one kit mobile unit versus having a lightweight kit and a regular kit, so not to eliminate some of our options and have it more standardized. As for the walls, we agreed on that we would want light non-magnetic walls, so we would eliminate the use of hyper tiles. That would allow us to eliminate some of the costs due to shipping and weight and things like that. We would ideally like to have interchangeable panels so that we could get a kit with so many walls, and have them to be interchangeable. We want easy to assemble walls. We also agreed as a team that we did need bookcases, but probably different than what we have now, and we do need something for breakout support, example for wings and things like that. Technology. We talked about we wanted to try to include 60-inch flat screens with cases in the kit. We also want to include one color printer and one black and white printer. We talked about potentially even one option is to buy these things every event and sort of donate them. And also one idea was buy supplies and leave them behind. Is that it? 30 seconds. Okay. The other idea was to completely outsource this notion and not even have us do it at all. Kinetic Energies has that right now, where they're outsourcing these kits, and it's taken out of our realm of things we do. So, anything else?
Do you feel like a whole